In the Report and Graph tab, the user has the possibility to customize their printed report according to the report settings. Here they have the possibility to insert their logo, as I have done here with the Knorr logo. They also have the possibility to change the caption, as I have chosen here as an example. And also they can change the subtitle. Here I chose our company name and the address. Under print preview, we can then have a look how the printed report would then look like. So here we would have the information that was set as caption, and here we have the information that was set as subtitle. Also we have the logo that we chose, and also there is information automatically inserted, which is the name of the software version, as well as date and time. So when you are done with your measurements, you should save the measurement file. And I have done this already, so I chose a name for the file and the place where it should be saved. And the path for where the file is saved will appear here, and it will also appear in the report. And here in this print, you have the possibility to convert the report into a PDF or directly print it via your printer. I have done this already. And this is what the report then looks like. So as I mentioned before, we could customize this report by inserting a logo. We inserted a caption and the name, in this case, the name and the address of the company. And as I mentioned, the path of the measurement file will now appear under this, in this field, so batch analysis, and also we have the information on which day and at which time the measurements were performed. And so then we have all the information here, and under setup you have the possibility at the beginning of each measurement to enter an operator. So I entered here myself, of course. This can be very nice if these reports are printed out and need to be signed by the operator, for example. And this can be done here. If the data needs to be exported, it can be done here. So here we can export it into Excel, ASCII, text files, or data file, ASCII data file. I will now export it into a Excel file. Which can be seen here. Thanks for watching. If you missed some information on this tutorial on the EuroOsmo software, please let me know in the comments below.